Hey guys, come join me. Let's make chopsuey. A little bit of garlic we're sauteing. We'll follow it with a little bit of onions. Using boneless chicken thighs that I've already cut up. Let's add a little bit of black pepper, some chicken powder, some oyster sauce, we'll cover this and let the chicken sweat. Alright, let's check on our chicken here. Alright, let's go ahead and add our shrimp. We'll add our quail eggs. We'll also add our carrots. We'll cover this, give it a few minutes, then we can start adding the rest of the vegetables. I added the carrots first because carrots will take longer than the rest of the vegetables. Let's put our lid on. Give this a few minutes. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes or so. So we can start adding some of our other vegetables. We can add our chayote. We can also add our beans. So usually I use sugar snap peas when I make chopsuey, but unfortunately I went to 2 different stores and they didn't have sugar snap peas, so we'll substitute with regular green beans. Alright, let's go ahead and put our cover on, give this a couple minutes or so. I have a lot more vegetables I need to add here. I'm not sure if it's gonna fit, but this is one of my biggest pots. We'll make it work, I hope. Alright, so we'll add our mushrooms. We'll add our broccoli also. So I still have broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage that I need to add. Do you think we have enough room to make everything fit? I'm not sure. Let me turn the heat down. I'm not even gonna mix this. I'll cover our pot here and basically just steam our vegetables. Once they're cooked a little bit, it's easier to stir. They kind of shrink a little bit. Alright, let's see what's going on here. I need to add our cauliflower and broccoli. Takes about the same amount of time to cook. I don't know that I'll make everything fit, but we'll see. I mean, I have a bigger pot. I just need to go get it. Alright, so I'm taking everything out of the pot here so I can cook the cauliflower and the cabbage. But I'll take everything out and leave the sauce in the pot. Once I have the cauliflower and cabbage. Once I have the cauliflower and cabbage cooked, I'll combine everything again in the pot. So whenever I make chopsuey, I like my vegetables half cooked, so when we eat them, they have a little bit of a crunch. I don't like my vegetables overcooked. Alright, so I've got everything transferred over into our container here. So our pot here is empty. So let's go ahead and finish cooking our cauliflower. along with our cabbage. Then we'll combine everything at the end. So usually, if our sauce is a little loose, we should add a little bit of a slurry, some cornstarch and water. But right now it doesn't look so loose, so I might not add any slurry. So you guys decide when you guys make it. You can decide if you want to add or not. I think for me, I'm gonna skip it this time. So we'll just cook our cauliflower here. These shouldn't take too long. We'll put our lid on, give these 1 or 2 minutes, and we'll add our cabbage. Cabbage also won't take long. Alright, let's taste our sauce here and see if we need to adjust it. Tastes just right, so we don't need to adjust it. So let's go ahead and add our cabbage here. Lots of cabbage. See, if I didn't take all this stuff out, there was no way I could make all this fit. I have a bigger pot, but I have to go downstairs and get it. I don't want to do extra work. I've already put it away. It's in a box in our storage area. Alright, let's put our cover on. Let our cabbage cook here, let it wilt a little bit. Alright, let's see how our cauliflower and cabbage are doing here. Alright, so let's fast forward it a little bit here so we can finish up. It's now almost 7 p.m. here. We need to be at our New Year's get-together, New Year's party at 7:30. Good thing we don't have to go too far. Alright guys, so that's how I make chopsuey. Chopsuey with chicken, shrimp, and quail eggs. I could have added some tofu also, but I figured I have enough protein, so I'm pretty happy with this. When you guys make it, you guys decide if you guys want to add tofu also. Anyhow, I'll keep it short. I'm kind of in a little bit of a rush. I need to get ready for our party here, for our New Year's party. So yeah, that's how I make chop suey. I wish you guys a happy New Year, okay? See you guys again on the next one. You guys take care now. Bye-bye.